Very good morning to all of you. This is Abhilasha Nahata, your social science teacher. So, class, today we are going to start our new chapter of your new book, Social and Political Life book. Okay? Today we are going to start our new chapter of your civics textbook. Now, just look at this cover page. This is the cover page of your book. So, I request you all to please open your books. Okay, I hope you all have purchased the book sets. If you haven't yet, please purchase it as soon as possible. And if it is not uh, possible to purchase it right now in this situation of pandemic, please mm, download the books from the NCRT website. Okay. Okay, class. So now this is the cover page of your book, Social and Political Life. Second, in our last class, in class 6, we had this Social and Political Life one, um, uh, and in the class 6 book, we looked at the various elements of democratic government. Now, what is a democratic government? It is a form of government uh, who follows the policy of democracy. And now, what is democracy? Democracy is a form of government where people can vote, people can choose their representatives, people are liberal there. Okay, we also saw that people's participation is very much important. Resolution of conflicts, people find out the resolutions of conflict. We learn about the concepts of equality and justice. So in this book, in this year, basically in this book we will talk about equality. Okay, we will talk about equality. We will talk about the role of state government. After that, we will talk about different types of different types of gender roles. We will talk about media also, and after that, some different types of markets. Okay, so all these media, markets, gender, role of the government, equality, all these are the part of this social and political life too. Only government work is not only government work or government policies or something which is related to government is not only politics. It is our social life also. It is the study of our society, and it is the study of citizens. And as a citizens, what we all are going to face and what role we are playing is the main aspect of this subject, civics, or you can say political science. Okay, so class, start with chapter 1 of your book, that is equality in Indian democracy. This is unit 1 of your book, and under this unit 1 we have chapter 1 on equality. Okay, so now first of all, what we all are going to study in this chapter, we will talk about the critical role of equality in democracy with specific reference to India. Okay, so with specific reference to India, we will talk about what is equality. We will learn the concept of equality. What after that we will start with the story of Kanta. She is a domestic worker. We will start our chapter with this story. Okay, and with reference to this story, we will able to know about the daily lives of people in India. Poor people, daily lives of poor people in India. Okay, After that, equality and its various forms, like we will talk about with the story of with reference to the story of Kanta, we will learn about equality and its various forms, what is voting, caste, religion, etc., etc. After that, we will move further to the another story, that is the story of Om Prakash Valmiki. Okay, with this Om Prakash Valmiki's story, we will able to understand the equality based on based on caste. Okay, and Mrs. Ansari story with reference to Mrs. and Mr. and Mrs. Ansaris, we will able to learn about the equality based on different religions. Okay, so with this with these three stories, we will able to learn about the concepts of dignity. We will able to learn about different types of equalities, inequalities faced by different people in India. Okay, so different types of inequalities faced by different people in India, we will able to know about these inequalities after reading after going through these three stories. After that, we will talk about importance of recognizing dignity. Now, what is this dignity? Dignity means self-respect. We will talk about we will understand the concept of dignity, self-respect, and it's why it is important to have self-respect or dignity. Okay, and after that, we will talk about equality in Indian democracy. Okay, so as we all are Indians and we live in India, so basically we will talk about the equality in Indian democracy, and to bring equality in India, different policies and schemes are there. So we will talk about one of the scheme, that is midday meal scheme, and after that we will talk about equality issues of equality in other democracies. We will talk about the we will talk about inequality in sorry equalities, issue of equalities in the USA. Okay, so basically we are going to study all these things in this chapter. Okay, so now start our chapter. So your first topic is, what is equality? Obviously, what is equality? State of being equal. State of being equal. State of being equal. State of being equal in status, opportunities, and rights is known as equality. This is the situation in which everyone has the same rights and advantages. Situation where men or women, people of different races, people of different religions, people of different caste, etc., all are treated fairly and equally. So this is the situation. Okay, where एक ऐसे situation जहाँ पे men या women, men है, women है, अलग अलग कास्ट के लोग हैं कि वो शेड्यूल कास्ट है, शेड्यूल ट्राइब है, या फिर अदर बैकवर्ड क्लास है, या जनरल क्लास है, ठीक है, या हिंदू है, मुस्लिम है, सिख है, ईसाई है, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट रिलीजन के लोग हो गए, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कास्ट के लोग हो गए, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट जेंडर, मैन वुमेन। ओके, सो जब इन सब को फेयरली, मतलब फेयरली ट्रीट किया जाए, इक्वली ट्रीट किया जाए, तो उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? उसको हम बोलते हैं इक्वालिटी। ओके, so it is the situation in which everyone has the same rights and advantages and everybody treated fairly. This is known as equality. Okay, so now look at this picture. Okay, so what you all are able to see in this chapter? You all are seeing like different persons, different persons are standing in a queue, standing in a line. Okay, and now why they are standing in a queue or line? To cast their vote. So on election day, Kanta and her friend Sujata are waiting to cast their votes. Okay, so now this is a queue where different persons, uh, different persons standing in a queue to cast their vote. Okay, so just look at this person is Manjeet Kaur and her profession is a teacher. She is a teacher. After that, Teja Singh. He is a trader. Trader means businessman. आप बोल सकते हो. Girish Rao. He is a student. Kanta Devi. Domestic worker. Domestic worker like servants and maids. ठीक है. Domestic worker. जो घर पे काम करने के लिए आंटी आती है. She is a domestic worker. Again, Sujata Kumari. She is also a domestic worker. Abdul Rahman, he is an artisan, like maybe he is a painter or something like that. Shabnam Banu, housewife. She is the housewife of Abdul Rahman, and she is housewife. Okay. So after that, Gracie Laling, he is an she is an consultant. After that, Isaac Laling, government officer. Ruskana Mirza, she is a media person. Yog Raj, unemployed. Unemployed means a situation where a person has no job. एक ऐसी सिचुएशन जहाँ पे किसी पर्सन के पास कोई जॉब नहीं होती, कोई काम करने को नहीं होता है, उसको हम कौन सी सिचुएशन बोलते हैं? अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट की सिचुएशन बोलते हैं. After that, Ashok Jain, he is an industrialist. Ashok Jain, industrialist. Okay, so we see in this queue, everybody is standing to cast their votes, but everybody belongs to, everybody has their own religion. They belongs to different they belong to the different community, different caste, etc., etc. Or every they have the different professions. Somebody is a teacher, someone is a consultant, someone is a government officer, someone is unemployed, and someone is industrialist. So we see different persons following different professions, but all stand in the same queue to cast their votes, to elect their representative. Why they are standing in a queue? To cast their votes to elect their representatives. Okay, so now here we are looking at this situation. Now everybody is standing in a queue, and now Kanda is Kanda and Sujata Kumari. We will now look at the conversation between Kanta and her friend Sujata. Okay. Now start with the story of Kanta. On election day, Kanta and her friend Sujata are waiting to cast their votes. She is Kanta. Isn't it good, Suja, that we can all vote as equal citizens of our country? Even Jain Sahab is standing in the line with us. Now Kanta is telling to her friend that it is feeling so good that we all are standing as an equal citizens, and we are casting our votes, and even Jain Sahab is standing in the line with us. कि बोल रही है कि Sujata, she is a good friend of Kanta, and that's why she is calling her Suja. Okay, Suja कितना अच्छा है ना कि हम सब equal citizens की तरह हमारी कंट्री में वोट करने के लिए आए हैं. देखो जैन साहब भी जो है हमारे साथ ही इस लाइन में खड़े हैं. So she is replying, yes. Now go on, Kanta, it's your turn now. Suja is telling to Kanta that now go on, Kanta, it's your turn. Okay. After that, now I will vote for the candidate who has promised to bring pipe water to our area. Now she is thinking, and while casting her vote, she is thinking, I will vote to that person or that candidate who has promised to bring pipe water to our area. कि हमारे एरिया में जो पाइप वाटर लेकर आएगा, ठीक है, ऐसे कैंडिडेट को ही मैं क्या करूंगी, अपना वोट दूंगी. So why? Because she is electing, everybody is going to elect their representative, and they have the right to choose their representative according to their needs. Okay, like those persons who work for them. So just like that, her requirement and the requirement of her area is pipe water. So she is saying, I will vote for that candidate who will bring pipe water to our area. Okay, so now just move further. Afterwards, after some time, after a while, we will see you later, Kanta. Now just look at this car. Jain Sahab is saying, we will see you later, Kanta. हम आपको बाद में मिलते हैं, Kanta. She said, yes, namaste, Sahab. After that, while going to their home, Sujata and Kanta are talking. Gudiya has been running fever and I have to take her to the hospital. But I will have to finish the work at Sahib's house first and ask for some advance. Now she is expressing her like you can say ki fear or in sadness. She is saying like Gudiya has been running fever. Gudiya, she is a daughter of Kanta कि गुड़िया को बहुत तेज बुखार है and I have to take her to the hospital. मुझे hospital लेके जाना है. But before visiting to the hospital, I have to complete my work at Sahib's house. जैन साहिब के घर में वो काम करती है, तो I have to complete my work at Jain Sahib's house, and after that I will ask for some advance कि मैं I will request Jain Sahib or Jain ma'am to give me some advance money so that I can go to the hospital. I can visit the hospital and गुड़िया को डॉक्टर को दिखा पाऊँ. Okay. Now at home, here, have some of this. You will feel better. And when I get back in the evening, we will go to the hospital. Okay. Now, Kanta is saying to her daughter that take this medicine, and after taking this medicine, or after, sorry, now just look at her hands. She is holding some a glass of water. Okay, and ये जो वेव दिख रही है, इससे हमें पता चल रहा है कि गर्म पानी या दूध कुछ होगा. So she is saying, take this glass of water or warm milk. After having this milk or water, you will feel good. You will feel better. After coming back from the work, we will go to the hospital. कि जब मैं काम करके जैन साहब के घर से काम करके आ जाऊंगी, उसके बाद हम शाम को हॉस्पिटल चलेंगे. Okay. So she is what she is doing, she is consoling her daughter. After that, she is thinking, it's no wonder that Gudiya falls ill often. The basti is never clean. Now she is, just look at this picture. So मतलब बिल्कुल भी cleanliness नहीं है. So many persons are standing here. Like now she is thinking, it's no wonder that गुड़िया falls ill often. कि गुड़िया बहुत जल्दी जल्दी बीमार हो जाता है. इसमें कोई चौंकने की बात नहीं है, शॉक होने की बात नहीं है. The बस्ती is never clean. हमारी बस्ती कभी clean ही नहीं होती है. Our बस्ती never clean, and that's why she fall ill. Now just at Jain Sahib's house, make sure to do the corners properly. Now Jan ma'am is saying to Kanta that clean the house properly, make sure to do the corners properly. ठीक है कि घर अच्छे से सफाई करना, एक एक कोने की सफाई करना. ठीक है, she is instructing Kanta. Here's your advance, Kanta, but don't make a habit of it. No, madam. Okay, now Jen ma'am is giving advance to Kanta, and while giving advance money, she is also saying, don't make a habit of it. कि हमेशा हमेशा की habit मत बना लेना कि मैम मुझे advance चाहिए, मुझे advance चाहिए. तो ओकेजनली आई कैन गिव, मतलब इसका मानना है कि ओकेजनली मैं आपको दे सकती हूँ, बट रेगुलर बेसिस पे आई कांट गिव यू द एडवांस मनी. ओके, so this is the story of Kanta. Okay, and now with this story, one more thing. Now just at that evening, just few more minutes, Betty, Jan madam and Jan sahib may stand in line to vote, but they never have to do it when their children are sick. Now, Kanta is thinking that Jan Madam and Jan Sahib may stand in line to vote. Maybe they are standing in the line to cast their votes, but they never have to do it when their children are sick. Whenever their children are sick, uh, they are not supposed to. They have never. Uh, they have never have to wait for their. Just a minute, Lakshita and Navya. I will take your doubts later on, beta. Okay. So Jan madam and Jan sir may stand in line to vote, but they never have to do it when their children are sick. So she is thinking maybe for casting their votes, they stand in line. But whenever their children got sick, they never have to stand in the line or queue. They never have to wait. Okay, so she is thinking like that. So now, do you think Kanta has enough reason to doubt whether she really is equal? List 3 reasons from the story above that might make her feel like this. Now, this is your homework. You have to read that story of Kanta once again, and you have to write 3 reasons from the story that might make her feel like this. And I will ask about these 3 reasons tomorrow. Okay. Now, move further. Our next, our topic, first topic, you can say equal right to vote. Okay. Now, so from the story of Kanta, and it begins with Kanta standing in line to cast her votes. So just look at these persons once again. They all are standing in a queue to cast their votes. So recognize, so Kanta recognizes her employer Ashok Jain, okay, and different persons also, different persons, their neighbor also. She recognizes. Okay, so just look at this picture once again. When you read the names like Manjeet Kaur, Teja Singh, Girish Rao, Kanta Devi, Sujata Kumari, Abdul Rahman, Shabnam Bano, Tracy Laling, Isaac Laling, Ruxana Mirzan, Yog Raz, Ashok Jain, they all stand in a queue to cast their votes, and irrespective of what religion they belong to, they all have different religion, and we will able to know it with their names. Okay, they belong to different religion, they had different caste. Okay, whether they are rich or poor, they are allowed to vote. He is unemployed, so Kanta Devi is a domestic worker. Sujata Kumari is a domestic worker. So, with their professions mentioned here, we will able to know they some are very poor, some are very rich, and irrespective of their religion, irrespective of their caste, we will able to uh, understand that they all are like giving vote. Okay, and in a democratic country like India, in a democratic country like India, all adults are entitled to vote irrespective of their caste, their sex, their religion, their color. Okay, and this is known as universal adult franchisee. So we already learned this concept in our previous class. What is universal adult franchisee? In a democratic country, all adults are entitled to vote irrespective of their caste, sex, religion, or color, and that is known as universal adult franchisee. Okay, and now the idea of universal adult franchisee is based on the idea of equality. Yes, so if any country have universal adult franchisee, it means they have equality in their country. Okay, because what is this idea of universal adult franchisee? Universal adult franchisee means all adults in India. What is the age for voting in India? 18 years or above persons can vote. Okay, they have this universal they have this right of casting their vote. Okay, so universal adult franchisee is based on the idea of equality. Okay, so yes, the equality in the voting ensure equality in does the equality in the voting ensure equality in all spheres? Now the question arises, does the equality in the voting ensure equality in all spheres? कि अगर हमने universal adult franchisee follow कर लिया है and we have this voting rights and we are equal in giving votes. Okay, हमने example में भी देखा कि कांता देवी और बहुत सारे different persons जो हैं कहाँ खड़े थे, लाइन में खड़े थे to cast their votes. But after if you connect this to if you connect this thing, universal adult franchisee and this different spheres, equality in all spheres, different spheres, connected with the story of Kanta, do they have this equality? वोटिंग में तो कांता और सब लोगों को एक ही लाइन में खड़ा होना था और उसके बाद वोट करना था. बट व्हेन जस्ट लुक एट दिस पिक्चर वंस अगेन, ये हॉस्पिटल में है कांता और कांता को एक लंबी सी लाइन में खड़ा रहना पड़ रहा है. तो यहाँ पे क्या इक्वालिटी है? एंड शी इज ऑल्सो थिंकिंग कि अगर जैन साहब की बेटी को या बेटे को बीमार होते या फीवर होता तो उनको इतनी बड़ी लाइन में खड़ा नहीं होना पड़ता. सो दिस क्वेश्चन अराइजेस लाइक, do we have equality in all spheres of our life? So after we don't have equality. Okay, now what is that makes Kanta unsure? Kanta make unsure. Let's maybe she just look at her day. She lives in a slum area. She has a drain behind her house. Her daughter is sick, but she cannot take the day off from the work because she needs to borrow money from the Jan madam to take her child to the doctor. Her job as the domestic to help tires her out, and finally she needs her day by again standing in a long line. So this line in front of the government hospital is unlike the one in the morning because most of the people standing in it are poor. Okay, and we see that everybody is not getting equality in all spheres of life. Okay, so class, this is all about today. Thank you for joining the class, everybody, and please take care of yourself. Now you may ask for your doubts? Yes, Navya Jain, please unmute your device.
हेलो
Yes, Navya, beta.
मैम
Yes.
मैम आखिरी में मैम जो वो लाइन मैम कांता ने पढ़ी थी तो मैम उसका मतलब क्या होगा?
Just a minute. This Jan madam and Jan sahab may
Yes,
stand
ma'am.
in line to vote, but they never have to do it when their children are sick. This means like she is thinking. Kanta is thinking if Jan madam and Jan sahab's daughter or children got sick, they are not supposed to stand in this big queue. मे बी वो वोट करने जा रहे थे तो वोटिंग लाइन में वो एक क्यू में खड़े थे, एक लाइन में खड़े थे, बट अगर उनके बच्चे बीमार होते तो उनको इतनी बड़ी लाइन में, डॉक्टर की लाइन में खड़े होने की जरूरत नहीं होती। ये इसका
मैम
मतलब
क्यों?
ये क्यों? बिकॉज दे आर रिच फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट है जैन साहब, ठीक है, उनके घर पे डोमेस्टिक हेल्प भी आ रही है, उन्होंने अपने डोमेस्टिक वर्कर कांता को एक्स्ट्रा मनी भी दे दिया। सो वी गेट टू नो कि दे आर रिच, और वो सोच रही है कि उनको खड़ा नहीं होना पड़ता। मे बी वो प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल में चले जाते हैं, और प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल में एज यू नो प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल्स आर एक्सपेंसिव, सो प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल्स में चले जाते हैं और उनको इतनी लंबी लाइन में खड़े होने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती। दैट्स व्हाई शी इज थिंकिंग लाइक दिस। ओके
ओके मैम।
बेटा। यस शैलिजा, प्लीज अनम्यूट योर डिवाइस बच्चे।
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
गुड मॉर्निंग शैलिजा। यस बेटा।
मैम व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ फ्रेंचाइज?
Franchisee, this is the whole word, universal adult franchisee. Okay, this means all adults in a democratic country, all adults are entitled to vote irrespective of their caste, sex, religion or sex.
ओके मैम।
Okay, this is the whole you can say whole you can say it franchisee means suffrage or vote. Universal, something which is universally accepted, okay, कि सब जगह लागू होता हो। एडल्ट मतलब कि हमारे इंडिया में एडल्ट एज क्या है, 18 इयर्स है। फ्रेंचाइजी मींस अगर आपको इजीली समझना है तो समझ लीजिए वोट। ओके
यस मैम।
ओके बेटा। यस प्राची, प्लीज अनम्यूट योर डिवाइस।
मैम व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट?
इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट मतलब someone who has a who is manufacturing products. Okay, for example, take an example of steel industries. Steel industry, they are manufacturing steel products. ठीक है, एक बहुत बड़ी सी एक फैक्ट्री, यू कैन से जो फैक्ट्री का ओनर होता है, बहुत बड़ी जिसकी फैक्ट्री होती है, उसको हम बोल सकते हैं कि इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट है। ओके, टेक एन एग्जांपल ऑफ बीकाजी फूड प्रोडक्ट्स। ठीक है, तो वो फूड इंडस्ट्री है, तो बीकाजी के जो ओनर है वो इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट है। यस आर्यमन, प्लीज अनम्यूट योर डिवाइस।
Yes, good morning, ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड मॉर्निंग, जल्दी बोलो बेटा।
Ma'am, what is the meaning of adopt?
What is the meaning of?
Ma'am, adopt. D-O-U-B-T.
That is doubt, beta. Adopt nahi, doubt. Doubt,
Okay, ma'am.
confusion. Yes, Vivek, please unmute your device. Good morning. Your voice is not clear, Vivek.
What is the meaning of players?
What is the meaning of players? Your voice is not clear to me. Your voice is not clear to me. Message me whatever your doubt is, because we have like very few seconds left with us. Shneel,
What does franchise mean?
Franchising means vote, to vote.
And ma'am, what does a caste mean? Caste.
Caste, different caste, like scheduled caste, upper caste, lower caste, different caste होते हैं ना, उनको बोलते हैं.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Hansi, please unmute your device.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, जल्दी बोलो बेटा. Speak first.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of spheres?
Spheres मतलब different areas.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, class. So those who haven't sent their work to me,